Our research lab at UCLA, called Team Surface, has been challenging the status quo that osseointegration for zirconia is weaker than titanium 1. By employing a novel biomimetic concept and cutting-edge laser etching technology, we designed and created a new zirconia surface with unprecedented surface morphology. The surface morphology consists of the roughness features at 3 different scales: meso, micro, and nano levels. And we demonstrated that the new zirconia surface has an ability of osseointegration that outperforms micro-roughened titanium surface, which is the most commonly used dental implant surface in the current market. I believe the study we're going to present this time will be the dawn of a new understanding, science and technology of zirconia that signals the emerging revolution in implant dentistry.